Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, I will talk about some common light signals of 30,000 mAh TB1430 and ways to deal with it. LED 3 always on. Light signal. It indicates that the temperature of the battery cell is too low when charging or discharging. The alarm will be triggered when the temperature of the battery cell is less than or equal to 3 degrees Celsius charging, and will be cancelled when it is 5 degrees Celsius. The alarm will be triggered when the temperature of the battery cell is less than or equal to -2 degrees Celsius in discharge, and will be cancelled when it is 0 degrees Celsius. Approaches. When charging, raise the temperature of the battery cell by raising the temperature of the charging environment and keep the temperature of the battery cell above 5 degrees Celsius. When discharged for use, this alarm does not affect usage, and it will be released automatically when the battery temperature 0 degrees Celsius. LED 3 flash. Light signal. It indicates that the battery cell temperature is too high during charging or discharging use. The alarm will be triggered when the temperature of the battery cell is greater than or equal to 70 degrees Celsius when it's charging, and will be cancelled when it is less than or equal to 65 degrees Celsius. The alarm will be triggered when the temperature of the battery cell is greater than or equal to 77 degrees Celsius in discharge, and will be cancelled when it is less than or equal to 75 degrees Celsius. Approaches. Try to cool the battery cell and environment down using an air conditioner or fans when the temperature is high. LED 2, 3 always on. Light signal. It indicates that the discharged single undervoltage or total undervoltage. Generally, the case appears when batteries are over-discharged. Check whether the voltage of the battery cell is more than 3.2 V in flight control. Approaches. Recharge and restart the battery. If it cannot be restored, the battery over-discharge is too serious, you need to contact our after-sales service. LED 1, 5 flash. Light signal. The voltage difference of single piece of electric core is too large. The consistency of electric core becomes poor. Under normal circumstances, voltage difference is within 0.1 V. Approaches. Check the difference between the maximum cell voltage and the minimum cell voltage. If the difference is too large, contact the after-sales service outlets to deal with it. LED 2, LED 3, LED 4 flash, LED 1, LED 5 always on. Light signal. Battery short circuit protection, which is generally prone to this alarm when loading and unloading in a drone with the battery not turned off. Approaches. Turn the battery off first, restart the battery at an interval of 30s more, then it can be lifted. Make it a habit to turn off the battery first when the battery is loaded and unloaded. LED 3, 5 always on. Light signal. It indicates that MOS module failure in battery control board. Approaches. Restart. If the lights are still on, contact our after-sales service outlets. LED 3, 5 flash. Light signal. The temperature of MOS is too high. Approaches. The temperature of the MOS module triggers the over-temperature alarm when it is greater than or equal to 80 degrees Celsius, and it is automatically lifted when the temperature is lowered to 60 degrees Celsius. If the temperature exceeds 100 degrees Celsius, stop using and contact the after-sale outlets to confirm the problem. LED 2 for flash. Light signal. The temperature of the connector is too high. Approaches. Protection will be triggered when the temperature of the connector is greater than 100 degrees Celsius, and will be lifted when the temperature is less than 60 degrees Celsius. Check if there is water in the connecting part of charging head and wires to prevent short circuit. That's all for today's tutorial. Subscribe Topxgun channel to unlock more crop protection skills.